Kick back and relax with this low-maintenance condo on the south side of Brownsburg. Conveniently located near the schools and all the new shops in town. HOA takes care of all exterior maintenance to building, trash, snow removal, and lawn care. Recently updated with new waterproof vinyl plank floors, all new appliances, fresh paint, new light fixtures, whole house humidifier, and washer and dryer included. HVAC system, water heater, and water softener were all replaced in 2012. This is the perfect place for you if you want to relax and enjoy life a little more. Call for your private showing today.